How to fix payment failed Cash App error message. In this video, I will show you how to fix payment failed Cash App error message. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the app's homepage just as you can see here. After that, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various options you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. After that, scroll down. Ensure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, I'd like to move forward. Come to the bottom of the screen. Once you are here, make sure you tap this option named Support. The page will start loading. Wait for it to finish the process. On this page, you will find several different options that can help you find solutions to problems you face while using the app. So, scroll through them. Continue scrolling through them and tap this one here named Payments. After that, you will land on this page here where there are options related to the Payments option. From the options that are here, tap this one named Sending Payments. You will be taken to this other page where there are more options. From those options, tap this one here named Sending a Payment. You will then land on this other page where Cash App is showing you steps you can take when sending a payment. So, check that you have followed all these steps correctly. After that, tap this option here named Chat. It is under the Contact Us section. As you can see, this chat area appears where you can type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. You can also copy what I have typed here by writing, "Hi dear support team. I am unable to send Cash App payments. It keeps on failing. Kindly fix this issue for me. Thanks."